Do you want a job after you pass out from college? Then you are at the right place. Hi guys, welcome to our channel VJ Spikes, and today we are going to discuss how to get a job as a fresher. One of the questions that most college pass outs probably ask is how to get a job. In this video, we'll deep dive into the steps to get a job as a fresher in India. Just be determined to put yourself out there, make all the requisite calls, apply for appropriate jobs in every listings that you come across till you find the right fit. So let's get you started with the job hunt. Tweak the resume and cover letter to match the job role. Do not send out a generic version of resume to every recruiter. Tweak your resume as per the job description to match the recruiter's requirements. Similarly, make changes in your cover letter to keep it in line with the requirements of the job. The bottom line is a resume is your primary introduction to the recruiter. Make sure it presents you in the best possible manner and is in accordance with the job in question. Additionally, a well written and customized cover letter will boost the value of your resume. Utilize job boards. Stop wandering blindly on Google to search for a job. Open a popular online job board and build your profile on it. The key lies in using targeted search rather than random searches so that you can review and apply for the right job. Most online job boards, including Naukri.com, provide list of jobs by category. These listings are quite detailed and give a clear picture of whether you would be a good fit for the company or not. On such job boards, you can also use the advanced search option to filter jobs by key skills, location, job type, experience, etc. The bottom line is using targeted searches would help you get the right job faster as compared to trying your luck at random searches and hoping for the best. Social and professional networking. Networking is an essential skill to get a job. Online platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter are popular among job seekers and employees for networking. Essentially, these platforms provide you with the means to market and brand yourself. The key to making your profile stand out is by giving it a professional makeover. Spend some time to list all the pertinent information, including your educational background, current status, location, etc. Start building connections on these platforms with employees working in the industry of your choice. Follow them and engage with their posts and activities. You can write and share interesting posts related to the industry of your preference. This would help generate interest and feedback that may help a prospective employer reach out to you. If you are interested in attending professional networking events, refer to websites like Meetup. The bottom line is, with everything going digital these days, it is vital to have an online presence. Leverage social and professional networking platforms to reach out to potential recruiters and build a network. Company career page. If you are interested in a particular company, apply directly on the website of the company. Almost all the companies have a career page or a job section for current openings. Open the company website and look for these sections, usually located at the bottom of the company page. On clicking the career page, you will be redirected to a page to fill out an application and submit your resume. In some cases, you will be given an email address to contact the HR team. Another way is to simply type on Google the company name followed by the word careers. Example, Deloitte Careers, IBM Careers, Jabong Careers, etc. The bottom line is directly applying on the company website will show your interest in a particular company. You never know, they might just invite you for an interview right away. Job referral. Job referrals are one of the strongest ways to get a job. A job referral is where a person recommends you for an open position in a company. Many companies have employee referral program where an employee who refers a candidate for a role in his company receives incentives. It is certainly a win win situation. Start off by preparing a list of all your known contacts. Find out if their friends are working in your company industry. Call up or meet these contacts one by one to understand if any of them can help you with a referral. The bottom line is you should be able to at least get an interview call by earning a referral from the right contact, and who knows, it might get you a job of your dream. So pull up your socks, follow the above tips, and get ready. Soon you will be on the right track to get a job. If you are an active job seeker, now is the time to dream big and aim high. Check out job vacancies for freshers. Start preparing for your upcoming interview today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos.